Yeah, we have like 5 casters.
And we're on.
Where are you at?
I'm over. What is up to all my beach goers and those who would like to visit the beach? We are back on the pier today to see if we can catch any fish. Water looks a little bit stained and it's a little bit windy, but that doesn't mean we cannot fish. All we can do is put a line out and try. So the report is there's been a few hardtail as well as a few pompano being caught today, but hopefully we can change all that. So we're going to be trying a few different things today. I did pick up some more hex jigs. Last time I came out here I was getting hooked up on the first try, on the first cast. So let's see what happens today. We got some pretty big rollers coming in. Look at the size of these waves. Some nice size rollers, and the water does look pretty stained. So we'll get out here, check it out, see what's been caught, and then we'll just give it our best shot. I stopped and got some cigar minnows at one of the bait shops, so I think I want to try one of these guys first. Shark or flipper? What'd you have on?
Hardtail.
Live or dead?
Live. It'd be cool if it's not a shark.
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
See anything to do?
No, I just got out here. That's my second cast. We don't know what it is yet. Let's not get too excited. No. Small shark. Should I?
Little shark, man.
Yeah.
That's edible right there.
We'll try and get him up. Coming up. Little shark. He thinks he's still in the water. There we go, little shark. You guys want to see him?
Want to see it? He's not going to bite you. You won't let him go.
Oh, these are the ones that'll take a finger off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look at his face, Emma.
We're from Michigan where the fish don't bite you.
Let's let him go.
Watch him.
Plus it's a walleye.
Give him like a 2.
And he's gone.
Florida State.
Yeah, you do have to have a Florida fishing license.
Okay.
Even when fishing from piers or from the bank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure in Florida. Yeah. All right. I
Yeah.
didn't know with it being the ocean if it was different.
Some piers you can show up, pay your daily pass, and it'll get you a fishing license for the day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No problem. We don't want to do that all day. We gotta straighten our hook out a little bit.
What's coming through this time of year right now?
Spanish mackerel, king mackerel, cobia.
Ooh, that'd be sweet.
cobia and pompano are running in the
Yeah.
shallows.
I just moved down here. I caught my first 2 pompano off the shore.
Yeah.
My son's in the Air Force.
Anybody got a spare shirt? There you go. Drape that over his head. Just toss it over his head. There you go. There you go. Need pliers?
Just gonna have to cut it off. We gotta cut that.
No, that's it. That's it. That is it though.
Oh yeah, here they come.
Oh, we're about to get hooked up, dude.
What species are you seeing out there?
Jack Crevalle.
A very hard fighting fish. That's all I care about.
You go first.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Come on, buddy.
Dang it. Dude,
Let him go. Let him go. Let him move out first.
Dang it. Lots of Jack Crevalle right here. Get it. Oh God, look at that. They're gonna eat somebody. Just leave it out there. They're coming.
300 of them.
Oh, they're already. Get it, 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 get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. He's right there.
Great. Twitch a little bit. Recount.
Get him turning. Yeah, he's on.
Look at him.
Oh, I'm on. Oh!
Come on. Oh, come on.
Another fish on.
Hey, let me go to you.
Go ahead.
I can't tell. Does anyone down here have a gaff? Yeah, we have like 5 gaffs here.
And we're on.
Where are you at?
I'm over. I'm over.
Shit. How awesome.
It all happened so quick.
Where'd they go?
They're just right out here, bro. Cast off this corner. There you go.
There we go.
There you go. Go over me. Go over me.
Just cast straight out.
And I'm under you.
I didn't see your web.
You're good. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3 hooked up.
Go over these guys that are all have their fish.
And I'm over you. Brand new X-Wrap. Decided to change it up. Put something else on. I was fishing a dead cigar minnow, but this guy's going straight out, which is ideal. Came unpinned. All right, I'm gonna just play this fish out.
Have yours?
Oh yeah. You need to go over. Go over. I don't know where this guy's going. Okay. Oh, he broke. He broke. How did he break? Yeah, he broke. Ah.
Everybody pop up?
I just broke. I don't know how.
There's another one. Use it.
Which one? Use this one?
I may go back with that piano wire.
There's one right there.
Jeez. He just broke his too. Did he break right there?
Yeah.
Jeez. No.
Separated from everybody else. There's no gap.
Yeah. It's the name of the game. So I'm using some 15-pound 7-strand. This 7-strand is it's a series of thin wire wound together, and it's very flexible, gives a bait real good action, and it's also thinner than the regular piano wire. The only thing is it's a little bit easier to cut through than just that thick piano wire, so we ended up losing that fish. Brand new lure, so we'll try and tie back up, be ready for when they show back up. So out of 3 people being hooked up, you're the only one who landed yours.
A couple of the guys pulled theirs.
Yeah.
I didn't have a choice. Mine's down in his throat.
Yeah.
So I gotta figure out how.
Hey, did yours pop or did you pull a hook?
He bit through my leader. Still leader, it's just light 7-strand. Very light. Yeah! Yes, sir! Just a big Spanish. Yeah. Huh?
Spanish.
No, you want him?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Woo! I thought he was king.
Thank you.
No problem. I got some pliers right here too.
Okay. You want a picture?
Well, I just want the people to see him. Yeah. We got Dave right here
Gotcha.
with this nice Spanish that I caught. Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if you can't get another one. They won't eat anything except for these cigar minnows. Been at them pretty much all day, and I'm just soaking a bait until they show up. That was sick. And I don't know what those are. Yeah. That thing about came out of the water and ate his.
Dude, that's a good one, man.
There it is. Stud Spanish. Let's get him up, please. Get him up.
That's why you fishing my bait.
Ah!
Wow, man.
Yeah.
But anyway, yes, people get tangled all the time.
You can have him just a second. Oh, he swallowed that sick too. I gave him plenty of time. Hold on, buddy. Yeah, nice Spanish. There we go, guys. A nice Spanish mackerel. I'm gonna give it to this nice lady right here. Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Whew.
What did you bite?
That's it. Well, guys, today was a little more windy than expected, but we ended up catching quite a few fish anyways. We ended up with quite a few Spanish mackerel. We hooked into that big Jack Crevalle that ended up breaking us off, and we also caught that shark in the beginning. So if you guys enjoyed that video, be sure to shoot me a big thumbs up and be on the lookout for more pier fishing videos this summer. We're going to be out there a lot, and we hope you guys can join us. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching as always. I'm VitaminDee for VitaminDee TV, and we'll see you in that next one.